punish you!
Had enough, you pathetic weaklings!
We can save you now, Power Rangers!
Oh, man! Hey, Furball!
So, Black Ranger, you're here!
Man, you are one messed up looking cat.
Zap! Just in time!
Oh, you're gonna pay big time for messing with my friends,
Ha!
and especially for messing up my date.
You're all talk, Ranger!
And you're